McLaren has just unveiled its most powerful open-top supercar to date. McLaren revealed the new 765LT Spider today. The 765LT Spider follows the proven formula of its coupe counterpart, mixing a high-performance powertrain with a lightweight body and a motorsport-inspired cabin. The automaker promises the convertible will offer the same levels of structural rigidity as the 765LT coupe, and this comes at the cost of just 108 pounds or 49 kilograms additional weight, primarily from the retractable hardtop and accompanying operating mechanism. The electrically operated hardtop is a one-piece carbon fiber component that can be folded in just 11 seconds at speeds of up to 31 miles per hour or 50 kilometers per hour. McLaren is proud to announce that the strength and stiffness of the structure are so high that no additional bracing is required over the coupe. Carbon fiber structural supports at the back of the car provide rollover protection. Power comes from McLaren's tried and tested 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine with 765 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. It is mated to an automatic gearbox which now has revised gear ratios for 15% quicker gear change compared to the 720S Spider. The supercar manufacturer says the 0 to 62 miles per hour acceleration takes just 2.8 seconds, while the quarter-mile sprint takes 10 seconds flat. The top speed is rated at 205 miles per hour or 330 kilometers per hour, though more importantly, McLaren says the 765LT Spider is the fastest convertible LT model on the track it has ever developed. We developed the 765LT Spider to be a car without compromise, every bit as exciting and rewarding to drive as the coupe, with all of the connection, closeness, and engagement, but with the added benefit of so much more of that amazing LT sound, even closer to the driver, says James Warner, chief engineer at McLaren. Just like the coupe version, McLaren plans to produce 765 examples of its most powerful convertible to date. The 2021 production has already been sold at a starting price of £310,500. US prices are not available at the moment.